Hello, welcome to my bedroom. Also, welcome to Loki. Today was Loki's lucky day because while I was busy thinking about this vlog and thinking about dragons, I distractedly dropped my crock pot and spilled stew all over my fridge, the floor, and had to even rewash my hair. So, Loki's lucky day. Plus, it was Bark Box Day. Go on, Lokes, go get it. Why was I thinking about dragons? Well, in February, at Superstars Writing Seminar, I met a fellow dragon lover. Now see, for me, I've always loved dragons, at least that I can remember. This was one of my favorite books as a kid, My Father's Dragon. My love of dragons led me to The Wheel of Time, which when I was in middle school, I saw a girl reading The Dragon Reborn, number 3. Little did I know that Wheel of Time has nothing to do with dragons, but it was an amazing series. It led me to Brandon Sanderson, it led me to one of my best friends, Stone, and ultimately that led me to Superstars, which led me to this other dragon lover named James A. Owen. Not only did we have a love of dragons in common, but I bet you can guess where this was going. I also read his books as a kid. Here There Be Dragons. He did this cover, by the way. I never knew that. So, we have love of dragons, the joint connection of having read or written his book, and in him, I also found a fellow philosophical soul. This I was recently reminded of while I was going through Superstars footage. Now see, I went to Superstars and I took a lot of footage, and we didn't exactly have a plan with what to do with it. So it kind of sat. Well, I'm tired of it sitting there because Superstars is freaking awesome. I'm looking forward to going back. So I just decided to put some stuff together, and one of the gems I found was some life advice from James Artimus Owen. The purpose of this vlog was that I wanted to share that with you. And no one has yet, so thank you.
One of the attendees came up to me today and he said, I read the second and third meditations books. Drawing Out the Dragons is the first, and that's kind of the primer. The Barbizon Diaries is the second, and that one's more of a trial by fire. And the third one is called The Grand Design, and that's a culmination of everything that I believe in about how to choose to live an extraordinary life. And he said, I appreciate your bravery in writing about what you did. And I said, the reason that that is meaningful to share those experiences is that I'm one of the partners here. I'm one of the people that the attendees look up to. And I present the way I do, and I dress the way I do, and you add on all these accolades about best-selling author and all the things that you can say about the successes we've had. I think it's just as important to share the difficulties so that people understand you didn't come to this point unscathed. You didn't just simply move smoothly into success and prestige, that you had to overcome things to do it. And if I could overcome those difficult things, then it's possible for anyone else to overcome them as well. And the important lesson is not that you can do it in the same way that I and other people have. The important lesson is that it's possible. And once you believe it's possible, then it's possible for you to make the choices that you need to make to start leading a better life, because all of your choices are cumulative. And the sooner you start making better choices about what you want, the better your life's going to be. And that doesn't mean it's always going to be easy, or that there won't be obstacles. All you need to have is the potential, because hope is the one thing that overpowers everything else. Robin Sharma is one of the people that I look to as a mentor. And he said, it's impossible to defeat a person who won't quit. And it is, but that's an internal decision, and nobody else can make a judgment about how much someone else can bear. But if you have hope that it's possible to overcome these difficult things and rise above it, that's enough. That's enough to start with.